In today's video, I'll teach you how to contact Carnival customer service. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in carnival.com. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Carnival. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to contact the customer service, what you have to do is simply scroll down to the bottom of this interface. Now you'll be able to find the options like plan a cruise, cruise destinations already booked, etc. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for customer service. You'll be able to find several options over here. If you click on the option FAQs, you'll be able to access the frequently asked questions over here. You'll be able to find the answers to the question. Maybe your problem will be solved by simply reading the FAQs. But if you want to contact the customer service, for that what you have to do is click on this option, contact us. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the contact us interface of Carnival. You'll be able to find the ways to contact Carnival over here. You'll be able to find various topics. For example, if you want to contact them in order to book, you'll be able to see the number over here. You'll also be able to see the time. From Mondays to Fridays, it is from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. ET. On Saturdays and Sundays, it is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. ET. Likewise, if you're calling from UK, you'll be able to see the separate number over here. You can simply contact this number. You'll also be able to see the time. From Monday to Friday, it is 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. ET. Likewise, from Saturday to Sunday, it is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. ET. Likewise, you'll also be able to find the specific number for questions about current reservations. You'll be able to contact the service team by simply dialing this number. Also see the time. You'll also be able to see the separate contact number for website or other technical support. If you're backing from your cruise and if you want to reach them, you'll be able to contact their guest care team. So like this, you'll be able to contact them. These are basically the ways to contact the customer service. So that is how you contact Carnival customer service. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.